Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are all of you? Oh my god, I missed you all so much. Okay, so as you can see from the thumbnail, we are reviewing Jeffree Star's Blood Money. Oof, that's nice. For all of you who are returning, thank you for coming back to my channel. And for all of you who are new, my name is Artwork, and this is my channel. This is where I do all this. This is where I make. I was about to say this is where I make money, but I've not made money. I'm just doing this because I love makeup. I am a makeup artist. I enjoy reviewing, being fun. You know, I'm pretty funny. I think so. Anyways, let's get this video started. Now we are going to dip into Blood Money. Oh, you guys, let me tell you, okay, it feels nice. It looks nice. I see some gold. I am loving the gold, if you can't tell from the ring, honey. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's open this up. You know, one thing I do appreciate from Jeffree is that he's made it easier for people who have nails to open stuff. Like I recently got his the new lipstick bullets, the velvet traps, and it was just so easy to the box up and get down. So, okay, so I got the palette. Oh, you guys, this is like my first time opening this. Like I haven't really. I mean, I've seen it on the channel. I've seen him review it. Other people review it, but I've never seen it in person. I just got this, and it's like I'm so happy. Oh yes, Blood Money. Hey, what's that? Oh, she has a moment. Okay, so. Okay. So. Okay, so it comes off. For some reason, it's not coming off. I don't know, maybe my nails are not sharp enough, or it's just not grabbing. Okay. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. I got it. I got it. I want it. I got it. All right. Blood Money, baby. Oh, okay. So I hear. Oh, all you have to do is press the button, and she's getting opened. Oh my lord. Oh. Okay. Well, and her. You guys, check that out. Oh my god, I've never seen so many greens in my life. Okay, detailing, so pretty. If you can, I'm trying to get you guys, obviously you're gonna see yourselves, but I'm sorry. If you see here, I love the dollar signs. I love the Jeffree Star logo. The colors are very pretty. I like the fact that he put like a nude in this palette, so it's more like a transition shade, because you know a lot of people like they enjoy a transition shade. I personally do it myself. So oh my god, that is so pretty. Okay, so oh my god, I can't wait to tap into this because I'm gonna look so good. Okay, all right, so there was a bunch of makeup. There was glosses, there was, you know, the lip hydrator with the CBD in it, there was new eyeliners. I got an eyeliner. Here we go. Jeffree Star Cosmetics first eyeliner. Oh, so exciting. See, look. Love this. With these long ass nails. Oh, that's all. It fell out. Oh my god. So it has a cute little spot with it. You know, cartoon, super cute. Love it. I got the color in Armored Truck. It is this burgundy with a blue tint to it. Super cute. I love the feeling of it. It's nice and matte. All right, let's open you up. Oh, okay, Jesus. All right, I'm going to swatch on the back of my hand. Ooh. Okay, first of all, that's super creamy. That, do you see that little, burgundy, blue, burgundy, blue, burgundy, blue, burgundy, blue, burgundy, blue, burgundy, blue. Oh, yes. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. I love new makeup, you guys. I'm just like, you know, So I prepared my face. As you can tell, I have a nice bead on, my bronzer, my blush. I don't have highlighter. I don't have highlighter. I don't like that. Okay. You know what? Do you guys see this one right here? It's called Divine Intervention. Where's my highlighting brush? Let's tap into it. Ooh, that's nice. Let's go right here. Oh, bitch, that's nice. Oh my god. Oh, I like the fact there's a little bit green into that, but it's a nice, really nice highlighter. Oh, wow. Oh. Okay. Oh, well. Oh. Well then. Okay. I like it a lot. Damn, that is nice. I know he's always used stuff as like highlighters or anything like that, but okay, I see you. I see you. Oh, on the lip. Okay. Alright, guys. Let's get this beat started. So first of all, I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush into Private Island, which is that transition color right here, the little brown right there. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and just going to dip into it. So nice. I like the fact that his stuff barely has any fallout. All right, and let's get started. So I am really liking the way that like brown like went all over my lid, and it was so cute the way like it blended. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Persona Cosmetics brush. Oh, by the way, new makeup on my face from Persona Cosmetics. It is called Terracotta. It's a blush, but I did not use it as a blush. I actually used it to contour the skin of mine, and I am really feeling the way it looked on my skin as a contour. Love it. Okay, so I think I'm actually gonna go in with I think I'm gonna go in with Make It Rain. Oof, that is so nice. So I finished the other side of my eye. Personally, listen, I really rarely ever wear green, and I'm kind of like really feeling it, you guys. Like, it's super pretty. Oh, I can't get over. Okay, you guys, this is not a highlighter. This was Divine Intervention. This is fucking gorgeous. Anyways. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's bring it in a little bit more. And bring it out a little bit more. Bring it down. And wow, that is really nice. I am feeling the green fantasy, you guys. Like, I am definitely feeling this green fantasy. Oof, bitch, so pretty. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and let's add a nice pack of shimmer on this eye. One thing I love about Jeffree Star's things with the, you don't really need like setting spray stuff to like ever like get it really pigmented, and that's really nice. Okay, so we're gonna go like that. We're gonna go here. We're just gonna tap it. Oh, yummy. Oh, okay, that's pretty. Oof, damn, that is bright. Girl, I am feeling this chameleon look. Like, hi, how are you? There's only one person who could do that. I actually want to go in with Poison Ivy, the really bright green shimmer. I just want to kind of tap it right here in the corner. I feel like it could get like, give it a nice little look. Oof. Hello, brightness. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner and my waterline. I will usually do a drop shadow, but I don't think I really need it. So, but if I do, I will do one. So let's go with the eyeliner. Get in there, and I just wanna. Okay, technical difficulties right now. I think I just put my eye out. I'm gonna do this off camera, and I'll be back. So I got the mascara on. I did the liner. I don't know if it's like really showing or what. It's kind of weird. Why am I saying so long? Okay. Yeah, I'm not really sure if it really shows or not. So that's why I did the drop shadow. I took Crocodile Tears and I dropped it down. With the mascara I put on, I used the NARS Climax mascara. So pretty. Listen, I think I'm gonna do lashes. Yeah, I think it's time for lashes. All right, guys, I'm gonna do lashes off of camera. So give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Do I want lashes? Do I need lashes? The answer is always. Okay, then I have these lashes on from Lily Lashes with the X Sephora. It is Yas Queen. Really pretty lashes. I am so feeling this look, you guys. Like, I just feel like I am a fairy green princess. Okay, guys, so let's talk about it. Oh, actually, before I go on and talk about the palette, let's talk about what else I got. So I got the liner, I got the palette, I got the green crocodile backpack. You guys, it is so pretty. It is so nice. It is so pretty. Like, I am so obsessed with this. Love the fact that it's faux. So, interesting enough, I actually have this Gucci backpack, which I'm sure you guys have probably seen Jeffree has, and it's pretty interesting because this similar design, like everything from the inside of, like, you know, like where you can put your iPad, you know, to like the comfiness of it. I think he got inspired by that, which is great. Listen, be inspired because, hey, it's a really nice backpack. I mean, that Gucci one is everything to me. And the fact that I have this green one, and I love the fact that it says Jeffree Star everywhere. The gold on it is just all that and a bag of chips. So, there's that. And I got the Blood Money green hoodie. You guys, this is the hoodie right here. I love it. I love that gold emblem on it. It's so pretty. I just love it. Like, for me, I use so much of his hoodies. Like, they're great. You want to just lounge around the house. You want to go out somewhere. I've actually have made a really cute outfit once. It was the Christmas cookie sweater with some Balenciagas, and you know, and it was like, yes. Okay, guys. All right, so let's get into my favorite things. Okay, Blood Money palette, yes. Would I purchase this again if I ran out? Yes, it is great. I am feeling this chameleon bad bitch fantasy. Like, body, 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 body. Have you heard the new Megan Thee Stallion song? Yes. Okay, Blood Money, yes, I would definitely get this again. I'm going to wait. I'm not going to give my thoughts. I probably wouldn't get this color again because it just, I mean, on my hand, it was great. But on my waterline, I didn't really see it. So, I'm not going to talk shit. I probably wouldn't get this color again. I will wait till he brings out a black. I'm all about the black eyeliners and the white liners, so hopefully he gets two of those. So there's that. Love the backpack, love the sweater. I would definitely always get sweaters from him. So that's just my thing. This is a great product. I love it. It just, listen, like, I have literally all the fucking palettes. I am a fanatic. It's kind of insane. But anyway, for me, Blood Money, I think is actually one of the prettiest packaging he's had. Even though it's kind of, people say, well, it's basic because, you know, with Bloodlust, he did that huge purple moment with the crown and all the colors. It was beautiful, don't get me wrong, and I'm actually really obsessed with that palette. But Blood Money, what I like about it, I love this whole crocodile feel to it with the gold. It's just really nice. And I am feeling this whole look. Let me just check myself out one more time because I'm so vain. Yes. Ooh. Okay, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me, and I will support you. But yeah, overall, I'm so happy I got to do this. I'm so happy I got to be back. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's art_workofficial. And I will tag everything down below. Comment below. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see from me. And I love you. All right, guys. Bye.